Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. I'm here with a brand new signal of the day, and today's signal is going to be on USDCHF. So without no more time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, what I'm currently seeing is that the news are not telling us so much, but the left diagram is showing that the buyers currently have the leverage for themselves and the sellers are losing to them, and we have 4 positive points for the forecast of it, which means that there is still bullish momentum inside the market of USDCHF. But what I believe is that we are going to experience a short downfall to the downside, and as always, as you all know me, I don't believe in news, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on USDCHF on 1 hour time frame, and as always we have some zones for ourselves here. The green zone is going to act like a resistance to our selling trade, and the red zone is going to act like a support for our selling trade. The thing is that recently the market has taken down 2 equal highs, and as we all know, there is a lot of liquidity above 2 or 3 equal highs. Our plan for the trade is going to be like this: we wait for the price to come down below the level and then give us a pullback, and then we can enter with a confirmation to enjoy the ride to the downside. What I want from you now is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have this beautiful setup, I just wanted to end the video with a beautiful quote. Believe in your abilities, work hard, and strive for excellence. Wealth will naturally follow those who consistently give their best. Have a good time and peace!